Hello everyone, my name is Viktorianus Rantona. My study ID number is 15250631. I am from program studi Informatika in Universitas Bidasarana Informatika. In this video, I will present my English project, the first part in my speech about smoking in campus area. And the second part is my presentation about simple present tense. Let's begin. Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you for this opportunity. Today I'm going to deliver my speech about smoking in the campus area. This topic is very important because we still see many students smoking around the campus, and sometimes they don't realize how to affect other people. I believe that smoking should be banned in the campus area because smoking is dangerous, not only for the smoker, but also for people around them. When someone smokes, the smoke spreads everywhere. It makes the air dirty and others students feel uncomfortable. Campus is a place for study, not a place to smoke. We need a clean and healthy environment for everyone. Let's respect each other and keep our campus smoke-free. Thank you for listening my speech. Okay, next I'm going to explain one of the most basic and important tense in English, the simple present tense. This tense is used very often in daily conversation and writing, so it's important to understand it well. Next, what is the simple present tense? So first, let's talk about what the simple present tense actually is. The simple present tense is one of the most basic tense in English. We used to talk about things that happen regularly, things that are always true, or habits and routinity that we do every day. For example, I go to campus every day, the sun rises in the east, the study English every Monday. All these actions are things that happen again and again. That's why we use the simple present tense, not past or continue. Next, the formula for affirmative sentence. Now, let's see how to form a sentence in the simple present tense. For affirmative sentence, the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, I play football. They study English. You read a book every night. But when the subject is he, she, or it, we need to add s or s to verb. For example, he plays football. She watches TV. It's rain every day. Okay, next, negative sentence. Let's look at negative sentence. The formula for negative sentence is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example, I don't play football. She doesn't play football. They don't study at the night. Notice that after doesn't, we don't add s to the main verb. We say, she doesn't play, not she doesn't plays. Why? Because the s is already included in does. So remember only one s in the sentence, not both. Okay, next, interrogative sentence. Now, how do you make question? The formula for interrogative or question sentence is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, do you play football? Does he play football? Do they live in Jakarta? We also have short answer for this question. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Okay, next. When do we use simple present tense? There are several situations when we use the simple present tense. Let me explain. There are of the most common ones. Habit or routinity. Action we do regularity. Example, I brush my teeth every morning. General truth or fact. Things that are always true. Example, water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Fixed schedules or timetable, especially for transport or event. Example, the rain leave at 7 a.m. So, when something happens repeatedly or is always true, we use the simple present tense. Okay, next, time expression. No, Let's look at the time expressions that are commonly used with the simple present tense. This word helps us know how often something happens. Common explain are always, usually, often, sometime, never, every day, every week, and every month. Here are some explain. I always drank coffee in the morning. She never ate breakfast. They study every weekend. These time expressions are very helpful to make your sentence sound natural and clear. Next, common mistake. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes students often make. He go to school. Correct? He goes to school. We use goes, not go. She is play piano. She plays piano. We use plays, not is play. The first sentence is wrong because we forgot the s after he. The second one is wrong because we use is with an action verb. Remember, I'm, is, and are only used with adjective or noun, not with regular action verb. For example, she is a teacher. She teaches English. Incorrect. She is teach English. So, please be careful when mixing to be and action verb. Next, summary. Let's summarize everything we learned today. The simple present tense is used for habit, routinity, and fact. The basic formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. For he, she, and it, add s or s to the verb. For negative sentence, use do not or does not. For question, use do or does at the beginning. Never mix to be with action verb. Example, I go to school every day. Incorrect. I'm go to school every day. If you remember tense rule, you can make correct sentence every time. Okay, and then all of my presentation about the simple present tense. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope my explanation help you understand this tense more. Please keep practicing because practice make you perfect. Try to make your own sentence every day. For example, talk about your routine, your habit, or your daily life. If you do that, your English will improve faster and you become more confident speaking it. Thank you once again for your attention. Have a nice day, everyone.